Whoa. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? It is your boy, TK the Plug. I'm back with another content. Today I'm in Manguzi, in my hometown, baby. We're shooting this one. It's been a quite a long time, but today I'm gonna give you this one for the vibes. Okay, get to know people from Manguzi. I'm gonna ask them a few questions. You know the vibes? Here with
AB.
AB. Oh yeah. Where you from?
From Manguzi.
Which side?
Lokshin. Tengani.
Lokshin. Issue. Hey! Guys from the township. Hey, yo, that's nice, that's nice. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions, eh?
Okay.
How long do you expect your boyfriend to last in the first round?
5 minutes, bruh.
Cups of the rose.
First round, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, why are you saying that?
Yo. Because. Okay, Gasweta, Gashisa.
No. I'm back again. I'm here with
Tapelo.
Tapelo, the boy. Tapelo, where you from, dog?
I'm from MTZ, no, Uzeni.
Yes, sir. Let's get. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions, my G.
Always.
You down?
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay. So, Nick, how long do you last in the first round?
Maybe 10 minutes or so. Yeah.
You sure, bro?
I'm 100% sure.
In the first round?
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
For real, dog?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is your secret confession?
Let's just pass that.
Why are you passing this one, dog?
Let's just pass, dog. I can't tell that.
Okay. What is your favorite position?
Toki style, I guess, yeah.
Who's that more?
That one is dope. That's how, you fuck like, you know what I mean? Yeah, so yeah.
So your favorite position is?
Doggy style, dog.
Dog?
That one is cozy. You can see when you like let it, you know what I mean?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
The vibes.
Yeah, I don't wanna say much. You all know, guys. You all know. Doggy style is the best, dog. If a nigga maybe like his first time, I'ma tell him to try doggy style.
Doggy style.
Yeah.
What are you talking about, man? Man, I'm talking about soca.
Shit. Soca.
Dog, what are you talking about?
Sex is all over my mind, so I'm a fuckboy, dog.
We don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
Dog, there's no other way
Boy,
I can
yes,
soca, dog.
I'm here with
Snowbill.
Snobile. Where you from?
Masagin.
Masagin. It's Masagin.
Yeah.
Masagin. What a place. Okay. What is your secret confession?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh, what's him? Oh boy, Sandklega.
Oh, a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
Okay. What is your favorite position?
Dog style.
Why textile? Okay. Try to be serious. Come on.
Ngoba. Oh boy.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what.
What are you talking about?
You?
I'm talking about netball.
Cut.
Mad nigga, that snitch.
I'm here with.
Sembiso.
Okay, please raise your voice, my nigga.
Alright, you speak with Sembiso.
So where you from?
Sundays.
Sundays. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you a few questions, my bro. Know what I mean? How long do you last in the first round?
What?
How long do you last in the first round?
First round, I don't understand.
Ngistress ngamampela nje angazi ukuthi mina ngiyenzeni angazi and enhle understand.
Okay.
Minutes.
I'm taking 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
In the first round, 2 minutes.
Yeah, very weak.
No, you're not weak, my bro. You know what I like about you? You're being honest. It's not. Some people are lying. They're saying 10 minutes. Okay, how could you last 10 minutes in the first round? Okay. 3 minutes is enough.
It's enough for me.
You heard what you said. You heard what you said. Stop calling people Amakud. Here with
Savannah Duck.
Savannah Duck. You say, where you from?
I'm from Manguzi.
Inside?
In Makoko.
Makoko. Okay, come closer, Doug. I want to ask you a few questions.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. So how long do you last in the first round?
Last maybe for 30 minutes.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Track.
Yeah, I'm a strong one. I use Imbiza.
Stop the cap.
Help me a lot. To bring power.
What do you get to use a dog?
I get it from another. Really try what I don't know English, but I know it's in Zoe. It's Angoma.
It's 30 minutes.
Yes, sir.
What is your favorite position?
It's dog style dog, you know.
Oh my God! Wow! Yeah, man, doggy.
Yes, sir.
Doggy one.
Yes, sir. You
Okay,
know.
why you like doggy style?
Yeah. I don't know how I can look at how I can answer this question in English.
Yeah.
I know it's in Zulu.
Para. You know what it is? It is your boy, Ticketed Plug. This is an outro for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, ask your friends to watch this video. It's for the vibes, you know what I mean, man? Let's go inside.